Hey guys, so we are here at Walmart. It's a Airdrie Walmart, kind of a neighborhood, or twin city maybe of the Calgary.
Guys, over here weather is very good. The fall season is going on, and in this fall season, and we have very good temperature today, so everybody's enjoying this sunny and beautiful weather.
Dia is looking for some kind of grills, right? Grill pan or to grill some kebabs, something like that.
For grill platter as well.
Yeah. So we are looking for that. Let's go, and we'll look what's the options. Walmart have it.
So let's
Right?
go.
Let's go.
So this is Walmart Super Center. We are first of all park the car and we will go inside. So KB, where is the kitchen section
I
area?
think so that is on the left side. So they just actually rearrange all the oils inside the Walmart. So that's why it's a little bit different than as typical Walmart. So I think they move the kitchen section on that side.
So as you see, the fall season is going on. Where is KB? KB, where are you? Oh, he's here.
So actually, there's the cooking and baking section. Kitchen.
Oh, cooking and baking section is over there.
There are some CastIron grills. So here are some options.
Yeah,
We have already that, right?
we already have at home.
Okay, so are you looking for kind of that?
Yeah, I'm looking kind of that.
Yeah. But this is seem like very not heavy.
It's not a cast iron or
No, it's cast iron, but maybe not cast iron. You know, it's maybe aluminum, but they painted this kind of black paint. I don't think so. This is good.
But I'm looking kind of that.
Maybe this one. Yeah, there you go. This is the actually.
Oh, this is another option.
Yeah. This is cast iron actually.
Oh,
It's
this is
pretty
the heavy stuff.
Yeah, it's very heavy, very weightful. So like, aren't you looking for this kind of?
Yeah, I'm
things?
looking for this rectangular type.
Okay. Okay, so we have two options here. I don't like this because this is very light.
So let the audience know the price of this one.
This one is $37.97.
37. No, this one. Okay,
Yeah.
37.97. Lightweight.
Yeah, it's-
Star fit.
Yeah, star fit. And this is also star fit, but this is a heavy build, right?
Yeah.
I don't like this
Okay. Put
because
it back.
this is not a heavy build, right? We need a heavy because if we're gonna put on the burner, this is gonna like kind of a
Pop up.
bent with the heat, right? It's gonna bend. So I don't think so. This is good. This is good. But we see more options on the other section. So let's go take a look if they have any other option, right? We're gonna take a look if they have more options, right? They have some options here. This is also very heavy. But this is a pan, right? We are looking for the grill.
Yeah. This one is also good. The ceramic ovenware. I like this
And they have a very good rock, some kind of a
Coating?
treatment, coating on it. And if you can feel, you can actually feel the grain.
Okay.
The grain of the dish, yeah. It's very good. Not bad. Actually, they put it on the sale. It was $30. They brought it down to $24.
Yeah.
Not bad. Okay. So,
And the price of this one was $75 and on
Yeah.
sale is $50.
okay, we're gonna pause the video. We're gonna take a look if we're gonna have something more, and then we'll get back to you guys.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Okay, guys. So we are back here. So right now we found a third option as well. So we have three options. The number one we showed you already. Number two, the two options we showed you already. The one was the rock, which was kind of a not a heavy build. The second one was heavy build, and we found the third one. That is very good as well. I'm not going to show you right now here. We are right now debating. So which option is the best for us, right? And once we finalize the option, we'll show you what we got it. Right? Hello, Dia and Kevi back here. So we have a final product, we have a final option. So I thought we're gonna show you just
Right now.
outside of the Walmart. It's very good news for Dia. So
Yeah.
should we reveal it? What option we had?
Yeah, of course.
Here we go.
Yahoo.
So this is made in USA,
Mm-hmm.
right? Very heavy cast iron.
Yeah.
Like even I can't hold it for a minute.
It's very heavy.
Very heavy, and it's reversible,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you can like grill here in this side. You see that?
Yeah.
All the grilling marks, right?
Yeah.
And you can fry.
It's the plain side.
Yeah, it's a plain side. On the other side,
Yeah.
here you see that, and you can like fry eggs and any other things,
For
right?
your breakfast.
Yeah.
Recipes.
So and it's very heavy build. That's what we were looking for, because when you're gonna put that on the burner, it's not gonna bend, right? So due
Yeah.
to the heat, so it's need a very high heat. So due to that reason, so we bought it this one. It's very good, very good.
Very good.
So hope you like this video. You like our shopping vlogs. Keep watching Enjoy Star Food. Subscribe and share with your family and friends. And final word, dear.
Take care of yourself, guys, and thanks for watching.
Bye bye.